Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the single beveled edge frameless wall mount bathroom vanity mirror. A stunning addition to any bathroom with its sleek 24 by 36-inch design and environmentally friendly copper-free silver mirror that boasts a much lower corrosion rate compared to standard silver mirrors. This modern, elegant mirror features a simple yet sophisticated diamond edge, offering a clean, floating, frameless look reinforced by solid wood backing to prevent warping and distortion. Safety and ease of installation are top priorities, as our authentic silver-backed glass comes with polished edges for protection and a finished appearance, securely mounted to a solid core wood, with reinforced mounting brackets and all necessary wall hardware for both horizontal and vertical hanging. Our newly improved packaging ensures the mirror arrives in perfect condition, having passed rigorous tests including dropping, impact, and heavy pressure tests. With a super slim depth of just 1.4 inches, this mirror is not only stylish but also practical, backed by a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. If you have any questions about our product, don't hesitate to reach out. Your satisfaction is our priority. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.